experiencing water damage can be overwhelming. We made this short video to help prepare you for what to expect during a typical water restoration job. No matter the size, every loss is different, and much of the process depends on factors like your insurance carrier and adjuster, your home's year of construction, whether bacterial or microbial growth is found, and if personal belongings need to be packed out. Because of this, timelines and steps can vary, but this video will walk you through what generally happens. First, an initial assessment takes place. A licensed PuroClean lead technician will evaluate the severity of the water damage, document the affected areas with photos and detailed notes in our software, determine which materials may be salvageable, and identify the source of the water. Following the assessment, the homeowner may choose to sign the work authorization for an immediate start or wait until a preliminary ballpark estimate of the damage is prepared. However, if the home is experiencing active or severe water intrusion, we strongly recommend authorizing work right away to help limit further damage. You should expect some disruption to living conditions in the affected areas during restoration. For larger losses, it may not be safe or comfortable to remain in the home while work is underway. Check your policy to see if it includes additional living expenses, ALE. To properly dry the space, furniture or personal items may need to be moved, and containment barriers may be installed to protect unaffected areas and prevent dust or contamination from spreading. Once the area is prepared, we clean and sanitize the affected spaces before setting up professional drying equipment. These machines are critical to the process, but can be noisy and will run continuously. In a quarter of cases, a third-party hygienist may be recommended to test for asbestos, lead-based paint, or microbial growth. These third parties operate independently, and their findings help ensure the safety of everyone involved. Even when everything goes smoothly, there are factors that may delay the process, including the home has a large quantity of items to pack out, more unforeseen damage behind the walls or floors, or insurance carriers' slow approvals for changes in the estimate. Water restoration is a process with many moving parts, but our team is here to guide you every step of the way and deliver results you can rely on. If you have questions at any point, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.